Hi, this is Randy from randysrdh.com, and I want to show you a program called ccleaner. And basically, what it does is it keeps your cookies and your cache clean and keeps your browser running fast. It will also clean up any left behind fragments of uninstalled programs. And this is really important to keep your computer itself running fast. So all you want to do is search ccleaner, okay. Now just click the download, and then down here you want to do it from perform um, or perform.com, and you want to click the free version, uh, unless it's something that you use for a little while and you really like it. I've been using it for 7 years and I've never had an issue with this. Uh, this is a great program. This is the best one I've found. I've tried PC Cleaner and several others, and this there's just no comparison. And if you use the free version, they also have a donate spot here where you can just donate a few dollars to them to help with the development. So click on perform.com and then just save the file. And then you just want to double click on that, and then you can't and then this screen pops up, and you just want to click yes, and then this screen comes up. And once this screen is up, I usually close everything else, and then I just click OK. Everything's got to be opening on my other screen. Click next. I agree. And whenever you install a program, you want to check and make sure that it's not trying to throw a toolbar or any extras in on your browser or something like that. Click install, and then just click finish. And then you are going to get this come up, and uh, as long as you're using Firefox, which I highly recommend, you don't need ccleaner to keep your persistent logins. Uh, Firefox will do that for you, and it won't allow ccleaner to get rid of them. So just click no, and then this is the user interface. And again, I use Firefox, so it saves what it's going to save, and and ccleaner is not going to change that. So I always make sure that all of these are checked. So we just run through and check them all real quick. Okay, okay, okay. Now this one right here, wipe free space. You only need to do that one time, and I recommend that you do it the first time. It's going to add a considerable amount of time to the running of ccleaner. But what that does is it basically, even though you think you have uh, 30 gigabytes free on your C drive, if there's been anything that's been uninstalled, a lot of times when you uninstall a program, it just takes it from the registry, and a lot of that information is still stored on your computer somewhere. Um, And if you've ever uninstalled a program and then gone back in a couple months later and installed it back and all of your settings are still there, that's why. But if you click wipe free space, it will actually make your free space free space. So for the first time, do this, and even without checking this, the first time CCleaners ran, I've seen it run up to an hour. So make sure you have plenty of time to run the program. Uh, I'm not going to check this because I use it on a regular basis. So click Analyze, and then you're going to click Run Cleaner. And on this, I always do not show this message again. Click OK, and analyze it again, and keep doing it until there's 0 bytes removed. And then once you get to that stage, you want to click right here on Registry, and all those are already checked. Now, I just went through and installed and uninstalled some programs, hoping that I could find some stuff here, and it did, because mine always comes back with nothing. So um, I did some uninstalls so I could show you this part of it. And you may have pages upon pages of this. Again, I've seen this scan run upwards of 20 to 30 minutes on computers that I'm fixing. So you just want to click Fix Selected Issues, and then it says, do you want to back up changes to the registry? Click No, and I never back them up. This thing does not get rid of things that you need. So you don't need to back up the registry. This is an awesome program. All you're going to do is just waste a lot of space. So click Fix All Selected Issues, and then Close, and then scan it again until it comes back with no issues. And once it comes back with no issues, I would click your options, click Advanced, and then it says Show Prompt to Backup Registry Issues. If you uncheck that box, then it won't ask you to do that anymore. Um, and then you can also get uninstall programs from here. You can see what these are all the programs that start up when your computer starts up. Um, this right here will actually show you scheduled checkpoints and system restore points. Um, and then this right here is a drive wiper, and you can wipe your free space, and for security purposes, you can actually do it as many as 35 passes. So it literally just completely overwrites all of your free space and sees to it that everything is taken off. Um, and I just do the simple overwrite, but for the first time, you might want to really shred everything that you've gotten rid of, or if the computer belonged to somebody else, um, you and you might want to do that just to get rid of all their old information. That's how when somebody gives me a computer, that's how I wipe it to see to it that all their stuff is cleaned off. So, um, and you can actually completely erase the whole drive. So if you have someone gives you a second hard drive, you can erase that second hard drive and do it with 35 passes, so that all of their information is completely gone and you're starting with a fresh new install. Um, and I think that about covers it for this video. Uh, I want to thank you for your time. I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, and may God bless.